Hi guys, Mav here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mav, and I do anything and everything DIY. So if that's your thing, then don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And for today's video, which is the second part, first part was last week's video on how to transfer any image to a canvas, because I tried up drawing with a pencil straight onto the canvas and I messed it up a lot of times, so I ended up with that. And good thing it worked. Now this second part though is a lot scarier because we are going to be painting it. The only painting technique on how to do a face is by doing your makeup, basically. Never done a portrait before, and apart from I'm really bad at it, is that this is my gift to my grandmother's 80th birthday, so I'm really scared and anxious and nervous about this video, about doing this painting. Of all the paintings I've ever done before, is because I really don't want to mess it up. I love her so much. And of course, if you're like me, was bad at portraits but would choose to give a gift like that to your special someone, to your loved one, this coming Valentine's or for any occasion, really, this video is for you. And I hope you learn a thing or two from this video. I hope it turns out well. If you fail, you're gonna mess it up. Trust me, the first few times you're really gonna mess it up. You're gonna be frustrated with it. But please, just try again. Just put your heart and soul into it. And especially if they know that you're bad at portraits or drawing or whatever type of medium you're gonna be using, they're gonna appreciate it anyway. The effort and time and love that you put into it, they're gonna feel that, they're gonna see that. So if you'd like to see how that goes, then keep on watching. there you have it. We're all good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And as always, if you have any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram, and it's me, Mab. You now have a good one. You take care. I'll see you on our next video. Thank you so much again for watching. Bye!